Hi my dear students and welcome to GK classes, and in this class I'll be teaching you chapter 6, Some Nation Builders. So in this chapter we'll come across many great personalities who have contributed to their nation. Not only in India, outside India also we will be mentioning some of the leaders. Some nation builders. Mahatma Gandhi played a very significant role in the freedom of our country from foreign rule. We all know Mahatma Gandhi was one of the great leaders who contributed for the freedom of our country. We call him father of the nation. There are some other great persons who made a significant contribution towards building their nations. Pictures of these nation builders along with their names and the names of the countries to which they belong are given below. First one is Mahatma Gandhi. He is known as the father of our nation. He was a great freedom fighter. His policy of non-violence, that is ahimsa, played an important role in India's freedom. He inspired many civil rights movements in India and across the world. The title Mahatma was given to him in South Africa in 1914. Next is Sun Yat-sen, and he is from China. He founded the Revived China Society to unveil his political and sociological ideologies. Sun Yat-sen based his idea of revolution on three principles, that is nationalism, democracy and socialism. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was a Bangladeshi politician and statesman. He is called the father of the nation in Bangladesh. He served as the first president of Bangladesh and later as the Prime Minister of Bangladesh from 17th April 1971 until his assassination on 15th August 1975, and he is Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Okay, and he is from Bangladesh. Sukarno was an Indonesian statesman, politician, nationalist and revolutionary who was the first president of Indonesia. Serving from 1945 to 1967, Sukarno was a leader of the Indonesian struggle for independence. He is Dr. Ahmad Sukarno from Indonesia. Next is Dr. Ho Chi Minh, and he is from Vietnam. Dr. Ho founded many communist parties in his time and accomplished many objectives. Ho Chi Minh was born in central Vietnam in 1890. He played an important part in communist Vietnam. Next is Lee Kuan Yew, and he is from Singapore. Lee Kuan Yew became the longest serving prime minister in world history. Lee was the first prime minister of Singapore on June 5, 1959. Next is Tunku Abdul Rahman from Malaysia. He is the founding father of the independent Malaysia. He became the first prime minister of the country after merging to form Malaysia in 1963. Then we have Bandaranaike, and full name is Solomon Bandaranaike, and he is from Sri Lanka. Bandaranaike continued his policies stated in 1952 on language, Buddhism and Ayurvedic medicine. He was the fourth Prime Minister of Ceylon, which we call it as Sri Lanka now. Then you have Kemal Pasha from Turkey. Mustafa Kemal Pasha was born in a poor family of Turkey. With his own efforts and sincerity, he himself became a great man of Turkey and also made his country prosperous and progressive like other nations of Europe. Then we have Gamal Abdel Nasser, and he is from Egypt. Gamal Abdel Nasser Hussain was an Egyptian revolutionary. He was one of the principal leaders of the Egyptian Revolution of 1952. Now we have Dr. Chaim Weizmann, and he is from Israel. He was elected as the first president of Israel in 1952 after a long illness and troubles with his eyesight. Chaim Weizmann died. And now we have Yasser Arafat from Palestine. Mohammed Abdel Rahman Abdel Rauf Al-Qadda Al-Husseini, popularly known as Yasser Arafat, was a Palestinian political leader. He was chairman of the Palestine Liberation Organization. So that was the end of the nation leaders. Now based on that, we will be doing this exercise. Match the nation builder with his nation by writing the correct letters from column B. So Dr. Ahmed Sukarno, he is from Indonesia. Kemal Pasha, he is from Turkey. Yasser Arafat, he is of Palestine. Lee Kuan Yew is from Singapore. Dr. Chaim Weizmann is from Israel. So that's the end of this chapter, and today you will be completing page number 9 exercise in your textbook. So thank you children, and may God bless you. Bye.